Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Snapchat account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now log into your Snapchat account on your computer. First open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in snapchat.com like this and hit enter. And after that you'll be landed on this page, which is the home page of Snapchat. Now to log into your Snapchat account on your computer, you can see the login to chat option available over here on the top right corner of your screen, as well as the bottom left corner of your screen. You can click on these buttons, whichever you like, and after that you'll be directed to this page where you'll be required to enter your email over here, and after that enter your password over here. My computer has auto-filled my credentials for me. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password by entering your email or your username over here, and after that you'll be able to retrieve your password by going to a certain procedure. Now with that being said, after entering your email and your username, let's click on verify, and you can see this is the verification for us that to prove we are human. And again with the deer, and use the deer again, and the login button should be available to us, and it is. Let's click on it, and again the code has been sent to us on our number with which we had verified our account, and I have received the code, guys. Let's enter it and let's click on submit, and let's verify myself. And there, guys, we have successfully logged into our Snapchat account on our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.